Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today we're doing a review of Happify, a mental health and wellness app. Gaming meets psychology in Happify, which is a unique app that engages its users through science-based activities. Each activity is meant to be a soothing exercise that softly reframes users' thought processes and tunes them for a happier, more positive mind frame. When you look at the pricing, there's a free version of the app that unlocks limited activities for users, but doesn't offer the more advanced features like happiness tracking. However, you can subscribe to Happify for a monthly fee of $14.99 or an annual fee of $139.99. The app also has a lifetime subscription plan for $449.95. When you look at the features, Happify provides a charming experience with CBT-based interactive games, journaling practices, and exercises that reduce stress. The app stands out with two major advantages. First, each activity is made to be completed in just 5 to 15 minutes, making it easy for people to stay consistent without getting overwhelmed. Second, the journey is highly user-driven. You can set your own happiness score and create an action plan to start improving it. There are over 70 programs you can choose from to achieve specific outcomes, like positive thinking, being more mindful, and so on. Users report a shift in their thinking within 2 months of using the app. Happify also provides additional guidance with therapeutic assistance trained by clinics. So, when you look at the review on the App Store, Happify scores a high point of 4.5 stars. Where other activity-based apps quickly start feeling like a chore, Happify has managed to keep its users engaged over the long term. As one user says, "I'm defaulting to joy more quickly, find it easier to take my thoughts away from negative stuff for enjoyable experiences." That is her review. So why don't you give it a try today? Hope you found this video helpful.